All right, guys. Well, showed you a video. Got majority of the leaf springs. Got the shocks out. Got this cool new ultrasonic cleaner. Does cool stuff. This was disgusting, dirty. Ran it through for like 40 minutes. Came out pretty clean. So I got these guys. This is a shock mount for up top for the back. Now it's not gonna get the rust off, but it'll get all the dirt. So then we'll see where we're at. Then we'll do kind of a quick clean. A little bit of paint, make it look all nice. So the shock mounts, get in there. We have front leaf spring bolt for the front there. So we're gonna get that in there. Got the nut on there, so get all nice and clean. We don't lose that. Boom. Boom. Ooh, hey, not supposed to fall. Boom, boom. There. Then we got the bottom leaf spring, where the U-bolts go through. Leaf spring sits on that. Shock, bottom of the shock bolts in there. See how kind of dirty, grimy it is. Get that in there. Second one. All right. So now, throw this in there real quick. Get that on there. Get the lid on it. 80 Celsius. I think it's 177 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll set it for 30 minutes. We'll check on it in a little bit.